In this lesson, you will learn how to test the presence of carbonate, sulfate and nitrate ions. Test for carbonate ions. Add dilute hydrochloric acid and bubble gas produced to lime water. This reaction releases carbon dioxide gas which turns lime water milky due to the formation of calcium carbonate. Many carbonates ions soluble in water. You will likely be working with solids instead of solutions. Test for sulfate. Add few drops of barium chloride solution. The white precipitate formed are of barium sulfate. Note its solubility in water. Write down the equations for above reactions and resume when you are done. Remember to balance equations and use correct state symbols. Carbonate ions react with acids to produce carbon dioxide and water. Barium ions and sulfate ions combine to produce barium sulfate precipitate. Test for nitrate ions. Add sodium hydroxide and aluminium powder and heat gently in water bath. Aluminum powder reduces nitrate ions to ammonium ions. Ammonium ions then react with hydroxide to release ammonia. It can be tested by dipping moist red litmus paper that turns blue. As it shows, it is a basic gas. Another test is dipping glass rod in concentrated hydrochloric acid and place near the mouth of test tube. It produces white smoke if ammonia is present because of the formation of ammonium chloride. In conclusion, the production of carbon dioxide gas from the addition of dilute acid confirms the presence of carbon dioxide gas. If white precipitate is formed by the addition of barium chloride aqueous solution, means that sulfates are present. Nitrates can be reduced to ammonium ions that can react with hydroxide ions to produce ammonia. Ammonia turns damp red litmus paper blue and forms white smoke of ammonium chloride in the presence of concentrated hydrochloric acid.